How you doing? My name is Treniushenderson. You're tuning into the famous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. So in this video, I'm about to tell you how to use the heart chakra in order to attract and manifest anything you want, okay, using a secret law of attraction, all right? The heart chakra, okay, the heart chakra is the most powerful chakra of all 7 chakras. Okay, I'm gonna say that one more time. The heart chakra is the most powerful chakras of all 7 chakras. Okay, now you have a lot of people who think that it's all about the crown chakra. Oh, if I just have enough intelligence, if I just show that I'm super smart, you know, I got education, I got 4-5 degrees. Yeah, my crown chakra is gonna do all the work. No, intellect is not wisdom, okay? Some people use the throat chakra and they think that they have a good talk game. I got the gift of gab. I can get any girl I want. I can talk any girl into doing anything I want. I can make anybody buy anything I want. I got the gift of gab. I can just talk my way out of things. No, you can't always talk your way out of things and it ain't gonna get you what you want. Some people use the root chakra and they think that they can just make their way and navigate through life by using just only their root chakra. Okay, they have been misinformed. All right, the heart chakra is the most powerful chakra in the whole body. As a matter of fact, the heart chakra is working right now, even as we speak. It's beating, okay? Every time it beats, it's sending out waves and vibration into the electromagnetic field, okay, that subconsciously tells all the information about who you are. You ever been around somebody and they be smiling at you, but you can tell they ain't really smiling on the inside? That's their heart chakra talking to you. See, we're all in this together. You know what I mean? We're all in this together. And the only way you're going to really get what you want super fast is if you come correct with your heart chakra, okay? See, wherever you focus your attention on, that's what you get more of. I'll give you an example. If you're in traffic and you think that everybody can't drive around you, guess what you're gonna begin to attract every day you get off work? You're gonna attract people that really can't drive, that get in front of you, that jump in front of you. If you think that traffic is moving too slow, because you're trying to get somewhere so fast, guess what you're gonna attract since you're giving your attention to traffic moving too slow? Traffic is gonna continuously move too slow, okay? Wherever you give your attention to, that's where the energy goes. Now, here's the catch 2020. A lot of people wonder why they can't get what they want, why they can't attract what they want. And one of the biggest problems that I've come to realize is that it's usually due to the heart problem, okay? A heart problem. It ain't got nothing to do with the hospitals. It ain't got nothing to do with cardiovascular surgery or anything like that. It's having a pure heart if you want to attract anything you want. Your heart has to be clear if your consciousness is clear. You see, you can get away with anything you want verbally through the throat chakra. You can fool somebody, by showing your intellect over them, but you using your intellect to manipulate somebody. You can do all those things and get a little bit way with it. But guess what? It's going to always come back around full sail. It's going to always come back around full circle because the heart chakra can never lie, okay? The heart chakra can never lie, folks, okay? Here's a test to know whether or not your heart chakra is pure, to know whether or not you're able to attract and manifest fast. The next time you get in front of somebody and y'all having a conversation, do you feel feelings of jealousy? Do you feel intimidated? Do you feel like they are trying to be better than you? Do you feel any type of offense when you're talking to another person? That's something that I learned along my journey. Cause I used to be the person that was really cynical towards other people too. Every time I would be talking to somebody, I would be feeling like it would just be this inner thing inside of me that would just be like going off like, I don't like you. I don't like you. It was like this nasty spirit inside of me that hated to be in a conversation with somebody because I always thought that I was better than somebody. You see what I'm saying? And I wasn't attracting the life that I wanted to attract. And I began to wonder what was causing this to happen. Why did I feel this way? Okay? But you know how I began to change it all. I began to turn inward. I began to self-develop. How many of you read self-development books, self-help books, inspirational books? I began to channel all that frustration I felt towards everybody else within my own self. Okay? And I began to change my heart chakra. When all your chakras are aligned, okay, you feel content. You have a complete feeling of solitude about yourself, okay, to the point that you don't even need to get mad at nobody else, okay? How many of you are right there at that point? Are you in alignment? Is your heart chakra in alignment? If you to the point on your journey where you're so solidified within yourself that you don't even need to get mad at nobody else, even when they mad at you, you are in alignment. Your heart chakra is helping you attract things faster. See, here's the catch. In this world that we live in, the universal laws are always at play. The universal law of attraction, the universal law of correspondence, universal law of sowing and reaping, the universal law of cause and effect. See, nobody can escape all these laws, but everybody think that they can. Anytime you put out negative energy, even when it's towards somebody, you have to be responsible for that negative energy later on down the line. See, 5 years from now, you're gonna have accomplished everything that you're thinking in your mind right now, everything that you visualize. And the reason why you're watching me right now is because everything that you will have in 5 years from now is the very things that you're thinking about right now. Okay? So a lot of people don't know how fast time flies. Now, them 5 years sound like a lot right now. But guess what? Time is ticking as we speak. Okay? And it will be tomorrow in a few hours. That's how fast time goes by. And the same thing, it's the same thing with the way you treat others. Some people think that they're getting away with treating somebody in a negative manner because it's good for the moment. It makes them feel good for the moment. They get a thrill off of it. They feel powerful for the moment. But guess what? It's still recorded on their consciousness. And if it's still recorded on their consciousness, it's still in their mind. It's still in their memory. They still remember what they did to you. Guess where it goes? Down to the heart chakra. And guess what the heart chakra does? It creates the feeling of resentment. It creates the feelings of negative energy. And guess what it does every time it beats? Sends it out, 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 sends it out. And so this is why a lot of people can't attract things to them. This is why so many people are wondering why they can't live the life they want to live. That's because you got to clear your consciousness. If you even got grudges on your consciousness, holding grudges with people from 5 years, it's in your heart chakra. If it's recorded on your consciousness, if you can remember that you did it and it is not yet resolved, it's in your heart chakra. It is blocking you, okay? So the whole objective, in order to clear it all up, if you want your heart chakra to be in alignment with all other 6 chakras, then you want to have that complete solitude that I'm talking about with yourself to the point that you feel so good about yourself that you don't have to get mad at nobody else. You don't have to get mad at your situation. If you want that heart chakra to be aligned up, what you got to do is you got to come to full forgiveness of yourself, and you got to come into repentance with yourself, okay? Basically, what I'm saying is behind closed doors, I don't care where you do this, I don't care how you do this, but make sure that you get somewhere with yourself and you make an agreement with yourself and you say, you know what? I'm going to change this about me. I know that this is a problem. I know this is something that I'm having a problem with. I know it's me. I'm taking responsibility to change my heart chakra. Okay? If this is you right now, if I'm talking to you, it's okay. I used to be this person too. But if this is you right now, comment below and say, I'm taking the responsibility to change my heart chakra. If you just write that out and put your name beside it, I'm taking the responsibility to change my heart chakra. Put your name beside it. That's already a step up right there in order to get your all 7 chakras lined up so you can start getting what you want. Okay? So you got to come into agreement with yourself that this is what you're going to change. The universe is listening to you. The universe is like, well, what do you want me to do for you? You got to say, this is what I want to change. This is the problem that I'm having. I want to release this guilt. I want to release this fear. I want to release this hate that I have towards everybody. I know it's me. I want to release being cynical to people on my job. I want to release this fear. And I want my heart chakra to be in alignment. And this day, your heart chakra is in alignment. If you do everything I'm telling you in this video right now, after this video, if you go make that agreement with the universe that you will change that part of you that is causing you to be out of alignment to attract what you want into your life from your heart chakra. Congratulations, okay? Congratulations. Thank you so much for tuning in, folks. So this is how you use the law of attraction to get anything you want, to manifest anything you want through the heart chakra. You cannot manifest at high speeds, okay? You cannot manifest at a high intensity, okay? If your heart chakra is not pure to the point that you feel complete solitude within yourself, that you don't have to be mad at nobody else, okay? Make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking my face icon and hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified every time I upload new videos every single day. Did this video resonate with you? Give the video a thumbs up if it resonated with you. Share it with somebody. Share it with somebody, because you know the universal law of sowing and reaping. If you sow into somebody this wonderful message, ain't no telling how the universe will give it back to you. It might come in the form of money. Check out one of these other videos right here in the meantime. Thank you so much for tuning in. Peace.